Fellas, are you guys ready? Okay, I'm going to take that as a collective yes. Alright. Toss-up 13 is in biology multiple choice. In a bottom-up model of a hypothetical ecosystems, sharks eat humans, humans eat chickens, and chickens eat mustard plants. If you wish to increase the chicken population, which of the following would have the largest impact? W. Add sharks. X. Remove humans. Y. Add mustard plants. Interrupt Naveen. Y is correct. Your bonus is in biology, short answer. Identify all of the following three statements regarding hemoglobin that are true. 1. It has an increased affinity for oxygen in the R state. 2. It possesses a Hill coefficient of more than 1. 3. Fetal hemoglobin has an increased affinity for 2,3-BPG when compared to adult hemoglobin. Five seconds. Yeah, all is correct. Also, I realize you guys didn't do subs, so is Viraj subbing out? Okay, so the same roster as before? Okay. Alright, so that was 10 points on the bonus. Toss-up 14, math, short answer. What is the divergence of the vector field f of x, y, z equals xy times I plus yz times j plus xz times k? Naveen? That's not correct. Albert?
X plus y plus z.
Yeah, that is correct. Bonus, math, short answer. What is the sum of the two largest prime factors of 1, 2, 3, 8, 7, 6?
Is
5 seconds.
1,000.
No, it's 68. Toss-up 15, Earth and space, multiple choice. Galactic fountains are features that spread relatively hot, metal-enriched gas high above the disk of a spiral galaxy. Which of the following best describes how most galactic fountains form? W. Intense stellar winds and supernovae. X. Tidal forces from a central supermassive black hole. Y. Relativistic jets from a neutron star. Z. Interrupt Xion.
C.
Z is not correct. I'll reread the question. Toss-up 15, Earth and space, multiple choice. Galactic fountains are features that spread relatively hot, metal-enriched gas high above the disk of a spiral galaxy. Which of the following best describes how most galactic fountains form? W. Intense stellar winds and supernovae. X. Tidal forces from a central supermassive black hole. Y. Relativistic jets from a neutron star. Z. Tidal forces from orbiting dwarf galaxies. Naveen? Yeah, W is correct. Bonus, Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following three characteristics that would be expected for subtropical gyre circulation in the northern hemisphere. 1. Downwelling at the center. 2. Counterclockwise flow. 3. Stronger eastern boundary currents and weaker western boundary currents. Five seconds. Time. 1, 3 is not correct. The correct answer is 1 only. Score right now is 52 to 26, with Noho being ahead. Alright. Going into toss-up 16, physics, multiple choice. Which of the following pairs of statements are true of the tension in a hanging chain? W. Both vertical and horizontal tension are constant. X. Vertical tension is constant while horizontal tension is highest at the center. Y. Vertical tension is highest at the center while horizontal tension is constant. Z. Both vertical and horizontal tension are highest at the center. Albert?
Z?
Z is not correct. Rashil?
Y?
Yeah, Y is correct. Bonus. 16, physics short answer. Two identical blocks, A and B, each have an edge length of 8 centimeters and a density of 100 kilograms per meter cubed. Block A is placed in a container with water of density 1,000 kilogram per meter cubed, while block B is placed in an identical container with ethanol of density 800 kilograms per meter cubed. In cubic centimeters, how much more of block B is submerged in the liquid than block A? Five seconds. That's time. Okay, I think that was when I called time, and that's correct. Nice job. A very clutch answer. Wait, what? That was I can accept that because I think you sent that. Oh, really? Okay. I guess I didn't see the message though. Okay. Let me know if you like sent the message before, but hopefully that's the only one that's like been kind of weird. Okay. So Dallas gets the bonus points for that. Toss up 17, energy short answer. Researchers at Los Alamos National Lab are studying the Earth's interior. Which of the following statements is false about their research? W. The phase change between the spinel and perovskite structure occurs within the d double prime layer. X. Positive velocity anomalies in seismic tomography are associated with cooler rock. Y. Phase changes in olivine cause discontinuities in seismic wave velocities. Z. Some mantle minerals may store water within their structure. Eric?
X.
X is not correct. Naveen? Y is also not correct. The correct answer is W. Alright. So now we move on to toss-up 18, chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following would not be a way to efficiently generate a ketone? W. Reaction of a nitrile with a Grignard, then protonation with a weak acid. X. Reaction of a Weinreb amide with a Grignard, then protonation by a weak acid. Y. Reaction of an ester with a Grignard, then protonation with a weak acid. Z. Reaction of an acyl chloride with a dialkyl cuprate, then protonation with a weak acid. Naveen? Yeah, Y is correct. Your bonus is in chemistry, short answer. Identify all of the following three catalysts that contain a transition metal carbene complex. 1. Wilkinson. 2. Schrock. 3. Grubbs. Five seconds. It's time. Okay, the correct answer is 2 and 3. Alright. Toss up score check 52 to 44. And this is toss up 19. Biology short answer. What element, a mammalian micronutrient, is a common cofactor for thyroid peroxidase enzymes? Albert?
Iodine?
That's not correct. Justin?
Calcium?
That's also not correct. The correct answer is selenium. Toss up 20. Math, short answer. How many terms are in the binomial expansion of open parentheses x squared plus xy plus y squared close parentheses to the 7th power? Naveen? That's not correct. Albert?
36.
That's also not correct. The correct answer is 15. Toss-up 21, Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 mechanisms or phenomena that contribute to ocean mixing. 1. Cyclones. 2. Internal tidal waves. 3. Vertical eddy diffusion. Naveen? Yeah, all is correct. Bonus, Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following statements regarding the speed of sound in seawater is not true? W. There exists a depth at which the speed of sound in seawater reaches a minimum. X. The speed of sound in seawater increases as temperature increases. Y. For a given temperature, the speed of sound in seawater is always greater than that of freshwater. Z. The speed of sound in seawater can be expressed as a bivariate function of temperature and salinity. No, the correct answer is Z. Alright, so we have a very close game going into the last 2 toss-ups. Currently I have 52 to 48. Okay. I think it's a function of pressure too. Okay, toss-up 22 is in chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following best describes the metal-ligand bond in nickel tetracarbonyl? W. Sigma electrons are donated from ligand to metal. Pi electrons are donated from metal to ligand. X. Sigma electrons are donated from metal to ligand. Pi electrons are donated from ligand to metal. Y. Both sigma and pi electrons are donated from metal to ligand. Z. Both sigma and pi electrons are donated from ligand to metal. Naveen? Yeah, W is correct. Bonus, chemistry, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 properties that are greater for the hydrosulfide anion than the hydroxide anion. W. Nucleophilicity. 1 is nucleophilicity. 2. pKa. 3. Bond length. Five seconds. Let's see. 1 and 3 is correct. Ooh, very, very insane game. Alright, so it comes down to the last question. Toss-up 23, physics, multiple choice. Soap bubbles appear to have iridescent rainbow-colored appearances. This occurs due to the varying effects of what optical phenomenon at different wavelengths? W. Emission. Interrupt Naveen. That's time. No, Y is not correct. Alright, toss-up 23, physics, multiple choice. Soap bubbles appear to have iridescent, rainbow-colored appearances. This occurs due to the varying effects of what optical phenomenon at different wavelengths? W. Emission. X. Absorption. Y. Refraction. Z. Interference. Albert?
Z.
Z is correct. Alright, your bonus is in physics, short answer. A 1 kilogram particle with charge 2 coulombs is placed into an electric field with potential V of x equals 3x plus 4 in volts. If it begins at rest at the origin, how many meters has it traveled after 5 seconds? Five seconds. It's time.
Final.
What did you say?
20.
No, the correct answer is 75. So we have Dulles winning 58 to 56. What an insane game. Damn. Alright, good job to both teams. I think that was one of the most interesting games I've modded for during this tournament.